Hi. So now let us see in the select clause, whenever required, we can use the keyword distinct actually. So this has specific reason as name implies actually. So if you see here, why we are using for the distinct. So this is used to return only distinct values as name implies. That means it will eliminate automatically duplicate values actually. So sometimes you need whole data, though the duplicates are there under any specific column, but sometimes you don't need duplicate values actually. So whenever you have such a requirement, we can go for this one. That is why this is an optional keyword actually in the select clause. So if you see it's a syntax distinct, and if you are going to take the set of columns here, set of columns all together. If any duplicate rows are there, those rows it is going to remove actually, because those are the duplicates, right? So in that way it will eliminate actually. So that we will see. And of course, see, after entire result is ready, upon that result, if any duplicate rows are there, those rows automatically it is eliminated. So only one row it is selecting actually. So for example, if you see here, simple example, job is one column here. You can see job is one column. We want to display only one job. See, without having distinct keyword, it will return 14 rows actually. 14 rows it will return without this distinct. But with the distinct, you can see how many rows it will return. So that is what you can see. So the output is, you can see clerk, salesman, and here salesman is there, here salesman is there, here salesman is there. All these are the duplicates. So only one value it is returning. So clerk only one time, manager only one time, analyst only one time, president only one time. So this is what, whenever you have such a requirement, you can go for the distinct keyword. Is it clear? So normally it will return 14 rows. Now you have 5 unique values in this column. So all those 5 columns it is going to display actually. Okay. Sometimes you have more than one attribute here in the select class. At that time you can see here job and manager. So here you can see one different thing you must understand. People will confuse that this distinct keyword you are applying only on this column. No. So these two columns are there. Upon these two attributes, if any duplicate values are there, for example, you can see here clerk 7902, clerk 7902 combination as a single value. So if clerk 7902 anywhere there, then that it is not going to return. For example, you can see salesman 7698. Together one combination, same combination here you have, that it is not going to return. And manager 7839, and here manager 7839 repeated. These two things is not going to come. Only these circled combinations are going to return. That is what actually, whatever attributes you mentioned here, out of all those attributes, okay, rows, if you take only unique rows, it will return actually. So in that way, 7 analyst here is there, 7566, and here also analyst 7566. This is not going to come. Is it clear? Now salesman 7698. Here salesman 7698. So this is also not going to come. Of course, president and null unique. So that is going to come. And clerk, see here, clerk 7902, here clerk 7788. So both combinations are different. So this is going to come. And clerk 7698. So do you have 7698 till now with clerk? No, this is also going to come. And clerk here 77782, you don't have actually. So such a way here salesman 7698. So this also you can remove. So in such a way, whatever attributes you mentioned, in that combination, duplicates are going to eliminate as it is mentioned in the definition. So that is what you can see the output of this query. See here. So here clerk 4 times are there, but with a combination of MGR, it is unique actually. So that is what here total we have total we have 8 rows are there. So here also 8 rows we have in the output. So in this way, whenever you have a distinct values, you need distinct values on the attribute combination. So go for the distinct keyword actually. Okay.